अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम बैक टू न्यू वीडियो। आज हमारे पास इंग्लिश का लेक्चर नंबर 24 है, जिसमें बात करेंगे लेटर नंबर 12 के बारे में। लेटर टू फ्रेंड कंडोलिंग द डेथ ऑफ हिज मदर। एग्जामिनेशन हॉल कॉमा सिटी ए डॉट बी डॉट सी डॉट, उसके बाद डेट आएगी, डेट के बाद डियर फ्रेंड कॉमा योर लेटर ब्रॉट द सैड न्यूज अबाउट द डिमाइस ऑफ योर बिलवड मदर। I am in a state of shock and it is really difficult for me to find suitable words that can console you because no suitable words can compensate the heavy loss you bore. Parting in life is always painful, but this time comes in every person's life when he has to say goodbye to his near and dear ones. Just like the sun sets in the west at dusk. Your mom possessed countless qualities of head and heart. I also had a deep attachment to her as she always treated me as her own son. She was very sophisticated, gentle, loving, hospitable, and generous human being. I can very imagine that by losing her, we have only lost a sincere well-wisher but also an excellent sport in our lives. Although her presence will always be missed, but I advise you to be calm because we must admit that the laws of nature are absolute and we have to go before them. I pray to Allah Almighty to give her special place in paradise. My deep sympathies are with all your family members. Yours sincerely, X dot Y dot Z dot. तो ये था हमारे पास लेटर। तो अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई है तो इसको लाइक करें, शेयर करें, कमेंट करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। अल्लाह हाफिज़।